Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to log in an Oculus, all you need to do is simply tap open your Oculus app from your home screen. So once you have tapped open the app, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on a method login. I am using the email address here. So once you tap on it, simply tap as continue as your username, and after you do so, you will get your login access back and you will be logged in or entered in your Oculus app. So once you're logged in, you can freely surf your Oculus app and do the things that you are interested in your app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.